In this video, I will share how $26 million were made using a completely beginner-friendly method, and you can do it too, starting today from anywhere on the planet. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or even digital currency. You ready for this? The best of the best part? My AI, artificial intelligence software, will take 99% of the workload, and this software Epic is what we use to make money in this exact system, and you're going to get this software free from the link in the description. Go grab it. When we understand this, we use our software Epic and make videos. Alright, not this kind of videos. We don't use cameras and microphones in our other channels. We use Epic, and Epic allows us to make videos using images, links, and texts. We don't need to use our voice or record our voice using microphone because Epic turns text into natural voiceover. You might be asking, where is the text coming from? Text comes from artificial intelligence built in with Epic. So Epic does everything for us. We spend 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes of our time to make 1 minute video. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we need your help for this. We can only do this if you hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, everyone you know who would want to learn how to make money online. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. And of course, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So let's begin. So what we do is we answer to queries of people that people ask on the internet, like Quora.com, like Facebook, Reddit, Google, and YouTube. We love YouTube because YouTube helps directly and send us customers. We will show you how you can do it too, but before that, let me share money. This is a screenshot of sales stats of my affiliates promoting one of my offers, and the offer name is Host Zpresso. First, let us understand why people made so much money. There are so many people in the world who are constantly asking why they're not making money, why the income is low and the debts are high, why the credit scores are low, and why the prices and costs are going always high. The answer is here. Instead of looking at ourselves, look at others, what people are asking, what they want, how we can help them. So this Host Zpresso is a big help. If you want to make money online, you today or tomorrow need a website. Websites need hosting server. Hosting servers are not cheap. They charge you monthly or annual recurring fees. So whether you make money or not, you must pay recurring fees for hosting service. But we solved this problem. We are giving away all the benefits of premium hosting servers at a one-time price. This is how the sales page or the website looks like, where our users can order Host Zpresso. I will drop a link in the description so you can have a look at it too. As this offer is a very popular offer and people are loving it, all our affiliates are making money, and look at the money they are making. These are all the commissions, $78,000 so far. But that's not the exact number we should look for. Oh yes, they are making $6.50, $6.20, and some of them are even making $7.80 per visitor. Talking about visitor, this is the most important thing in this whole picture. Look at this, 109,000 visitors visited this page, and when they purchased, we made money, our affiliates made money. So the main governing factor are these hops. These are the real people who visited this website. They got their problem solved. That's why they spent their money. And that 1 minute video works as YouTube Shorts, and YouTube send us customer. Okay, why YouTube Shorts? Let me show you. Look at this. I searched with how to website on YouTube. And if we go down below a little bit, we will find the Shorts feed. So this is the Shorts feed, and look at the views of the videos. If you can't see, let me read it for you. The first video, 540,000 views. second video 1,700 views, the third video 80 views, fourth video 2,600 views, next video 76,000. All these views are these people. Now if 109,000 visitors made us $137,000, how much would 540,000 views would make us? Probably 5 times this amount, right? Awesome. So here is money. Money is in the traffic. Now let me show you traffic, how you can get traffic easily, and then we will come back to $26 million. Hosting servers offers are directly related to website. So I came to a place called Quora where people ask questions, and I searched with the website and I got a lot of questions, a lot of posts. Here is one of the posts where somebody asked, how do I create and design websites? And this person answered with a nice gesture, a lot of good contents. By the way, in case you see a box automatically generating text, this is a transcription software that you can get it free from the link in the description. This transcription software automatically transcribing my voice. So this is another way we generate content, and you can generate content as well. So every time this person answers questions, these answers get viewed. Look at this, 577 views. Now if we consider $7 for each view, then you can possibly calculate how much money was generated from 2.2 million content views or 2.2 million visitors, like more than $14 million, right? I don't know exactly how much money they made, but this is how to make money online. And here is the most ethical way to get visitors to your websites. Put your website links just like this in your profile. People will find your answers useful, they will find you, and they will click your links and you will buy from you. That's the simplest way to make money online, and this is what exactly we do, hundreds of people do, and you can do it too. Alright, why I mentioned Quora? Because Quora has 543 million monthly visitors, free advertisements, free traffic. And if you look at the marketing channels, you'll see 27% traffic comes from within Quora itself and 70% comes from Google. So by answering questions on Quora, you're basically getting traffic from Google for free without advertisement. But as I showed you, you can use Epic, link in the description. Epic is free for you. Make 1-minute videos about questions people are asking, publish on YouTube and get traffic from YouTube. Now why YouTube and why I choose YouTube? Because Shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is working hard to make it popular. So every Shorts and every Shorts creator is being heavily promoted by YouTube. This is again the biggest advertisements for free. Now I'm coming to the $26 million and it is related to YouTube and videos. So make sure you grab Epic and start making videos. Now go to a website called Udemy and search with the keyword called website, and you will see 9,507 results. All these posts are about website. Now what are these posts and what is Udemy? Udemy is a website that is considered as a $1 billion website, and they have 97.3 million customers. The reason I say they are customers because these people know that they have to spend money to get the content from Udemy. And 63% of these people are already on Udemy, and 20% comes from search engines and 7% comes from social media. Now look at this person or this company. They made $26 million by uploading their bundle of videos on Udemy, and they call it course or class. They have got 311,703 paying students so far, and they are selling their course at a price point of $84.99 and made $26 million in the process. So here are these simple steps. When you go to a course, click on this expand all sections and find all the topics they're talking about. Either buy these courses and learn from them, or go to YouTube and learn the same exact contents. This is what people are spending their money for. Now make your videos about these contents and publish them on YouTube as shorts. Get free traffic from YouTube. Then bundle them and upload them on Udemy. Then in your videos, Ask your visitors to click your links in the description or in the first comment and buy your course from there, from Udemy. Now here is a quick pro tip. Don't start selling and charge money right away. Start by giving away for free, because at the beginning you will not have all these ratings and positive feedbacks from your students. Give them away for free and ask them inside the content to give you a high 5-star rating and an awesome testimonial. They will give you, and with those ratings and feedbacks, Udemy and Google will start sending you students. That is the point when you start charging for your course. Sounds great? Now more and more paying customers, happy customers and students will leave more and more high rating, exciting feedbacks. This snowball will start rolling, and soon you will also be able to make this amount of money, maybe more. So you will make money from Udemy, you will make money from affiliate commissions if you want, and you will make money from selling your videos as course or bundles from Udemy. Sounds great? That's how it works. That's what we do. That's what thousands of people do, and you can do it too. You just need Epic, because Epic will take 99% of your workload. Epic is free, link in the description, go grab it. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. Just added the customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections, and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making, persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. But our goal is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online in the next 10 years, and we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, everyone you know who's looking to make money online. They will love you for sharing awesome information with them. They will also get access to our softwares for free. They will start following you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is what happened to us And now we have a 7-figure per year online business. And it happened to thousands of other people. It's going to happen to you as well. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.